Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Data Loader in Oracle. Oracle Data Loader, often referred to as SQL * Loader, is a powerful utility for moving data from external files into Oracle database tables. It handles various data formats, making it incredibly versatile for bulk data insertion. Understanding its core functions is crucial for efficient database management and ensuring data integrity. We'll cover the essential steps to get your data loaded smoothly and effectively. Before loading, proper data preparation is key to a successful import. Your source data, typically in flat files like CSV or text, needs to be clean and consistently formatted. Ensure data types align with your target Oracle table columns to prevent errors. For instance, a date column should follow a consistent format, such as ddmonei. This proactive step saves significant time and effort during the actual loading process, ensuring data quality from the start. The heart of Oracle Data Loader is the control file, which acts as a blueprint for the loading process. This file specifies the data file location, target table, and how data fields map to table columns. You execute SQL * Loader from the command line, referencing your control file. For example, a typical command might be sqlldr userid equals username/password control equals my data. CTL. This initiates the loading, processing thousands of rows per second, depending on your system and data volume. To optimize your data loading, consider using direct path loading for large datasets, which bypasses the SQL processing layer for faster inserts. Always review the log file for any errors or rejected records. It provides invaluable insights for troubleshooting. Implement robust error handling by specifying bad and discard files in your control file. Regularly testing with a small subset of data before a full load can prevent major issues, ensuring a smooth and efficient data transfer every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.